An asteroid is hurtling directly towards Earth. Initially, scientists believed it would pass by us, but they've made significant miscalculations. Now, it's on a collision course with our giant blue planet. What comes next? Welcome to What If, where we explore the possibilities. This scenario may seem like an intriguing hypothetical, but an asteroid on a collision course with Earth is a serious matter. It's not something to take lightly. The potential is real. Scientists initially projected that asteroid 99942, also known as Apophis, might impact Earth by 2029. Discovered in 2004, Apophis has been under close observation since then. At one stage, estimates suggested a 2.7% chance of impact, a frightening prospect. Since those early assessments, updated calculations indicate that Apophis will pass Earth at a distance of 30,000 kilometers, 18,641 miles, remarkably close considering the Moon is 380,000 kilometers, 236,121 miles away. Thankfully, it's expected to bypass us without incident. However, it's crucial to acknowledge that calculations aren't infallible. Let's entertain the notion that, in this instance, they're incorrect and Apophis is indeed on a collision course with Earth, arriving well ahead of schedule this year. Now, let's assess the situation. Apophis measures 340 meters, 1,115 feet, in diameter, taller than the Eiffel Tower. However, is it the most menacing asteroid Earth has encountered? Fortunately, not even close. The Chicxulub asteroid that led to the demise of the dinosaurs was estimated to measure between 10 to 15 kilometers, 6.2 to 9.3 miles across. Now, we're facing a smaller counterpart of Chicxulub. So, what implications does this hold for us? Could this asteroid spell human extinction? We'll delve deeper into that shortly. But first, let's assess our chances of averting this impending impact. First off, we need to address the defense mechanisms against the asteroid, a task that's already underway. We've established the size of Apophis and its velocity, cruising at approximately 30 kilometers per second, 18 miles per second. Now, let's explore the defense strategies currently under consideration. Nuking an asteroid carries potential drawbacks, including the risk of fragmentation. Instead of a single massive impact, it could result in numerous smaller asteroids and meteors hurtling towards Earth. Therefore, careful deliberation and exploration of alternative solutions are imperative before considering this option. Enhancing the impact further, these asteroids wouldn't be ordinary. Due to the nuclear detonation, they'd carry radioactive elements. Consequently, areas affected by these asteroids would not only endure physical devastation but also face heightened radiation levels akin to nuclear warfare. So, which option presents the best course of action? It's a challenging decision, one that requires careful consideration. Regrettably, time for deliberation has run out. Our procrastination has left us vulnerable, with Apophis hurtling towards us imminently. Brace yourselves. While you may not witness the impact firsthand, the asteroid is most likely to strike the Pacific Ocean, given that Earth's surface is predominantly water. Although unseen, the repercussions would be profound. Upon impact, the devastation would be akin to thousands of nuclear bombs detonating simultaneously, albeit with minimal radiation. The resulting crater, potentially a kilometer wide, would trigger colossal tsunamis, unleashing destruction across the globe. Cities along the Pacific coast, including California, Peru, and Chile, would bear the brunt of the catastrophe. Waves exceeding 30 meters in height, similar to those responsible for the 2004 Southeast Asian tsunami, would wreak havoc worldwide, claiming millions of lives. Now, envision the scenario if the asteroid struck land. Without water to cushion the blow, the impact crater would be significantly larger, potentially measuring 7 kilometers in diameter and over 1 kilometer deep. The ensuing shockwave would propagate for hundreds of kilometers, demolishing structures and hurling debris into the atmosphere. The resulting dust cloud could induce an impact winter, blocking sunlight and causing widespread crop failure, exacerbating the humanitarian crisis. This environmental catastrophe could persist for weeks or even months, leading to millions of casualties. Despite the harrowing aftermath, humanity would endure. Unlike the Chicxulub asteroid that led to mass extinction, an impact from Apophis would not extinguish all life. While traumatic and devastating, humanity would persevere, charting a new course forward. As we navigate through this hypothetical catastrophe, pondering the future of humanity becomes paramount. What lies ahead for our species in the wake of such devastation?